Welcome back, my lovely people. I am so excited making this dish because this is something I love so much and my kids love it as well. It's a simple potato and chicken dish all in one, and it's super delicious and so yummy. Please don't go anywhere. Watch this video. It's a recipe you would love for a change. So I have some Irish potatoes and I'm just cutting it into cubes, bite sizes for ease. You really like it in bite sizes, but cut it according to any shape you like. So what I normally do, because potato takes a long time to cook, I'm cooking it halfway first. I'm boiling it halfway first. This is like a baking dish, but I wouldn't want to cook it at the same time with my chicken because chicken cooks faster. So I'm boiling it for a bit, and I have chicken breast here. Feel free to use any chicken part, but I prefer using the breast because you don't have any bones to fiddle with and you're getting all flesh and meat. So I have about 500 grams of chicken breast, and I'm just dicing it the same way because I want everything to come out in the same shape. When the chicken breast is cooked, of course, to be smaller. So these are my chicken breast. I'm adding my carrots. Like I said, it's all in one dish. Some onions, some bell peppers. Add any vegetables of your choice, and my seasoning as well, just to garnish my dish beautifully. Everything is measured according to what I want. So the potatoes are half cooked. I'm adding some cooking oil as well so that it will be moist and it's not totally dry. I'm not frying it, I'm going to be baking it, and I'm going to mix it gently. Remember our potatoes are half cooked, so I don't want it to like scatter. But since it's not yet fully cooked, it won't really scatter anyway. So I'm just mixing it very well so that everything is like well fused together, and I have one simple dish at the end of the day. No separation, no need for me to mix it when it's all cooked. You have to do the mixing right now and do it very well so that all your seasoning, all your herbs are all in one. So this is the part I love. I'm getting ready for cooking this wonderful dish, and I'm just lining this in my baking tray. I'm just going to like give it some space so that it's going to be evenly cooked, and one part is not like more cooked more than the other. So this is just basically what I'm just doing now. If you can see, I have like herbs scattered everywhere, potato is everywhere, there's chicken. So whatever spoon anybody takes, you're sure you're getting everything you have. Not that one person is having potatoes and the other person is having some chicken. This other person does not have carrots. Everything is all cooked. And I baked that for about 45 minutes in the oven. And guys, like it was so yummy. See how easily it breaks apart. Even the chicken was well cooked. Let me just wait to get a knife so that I can show you guys. Like you're not struggling with it. See the way it just separated easily. It is evenly cooked, beautifully cooked all through. It's not undercooked, it's not overcooked. And that's our dish for today. I had a grab, yeah, I had a taste, and it was so yummy. I loved it. In fact, I wanted more, but before I got back, the dish was already done. So, guys, this is a recipe you can do for adults, for children. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you subscribe. Bye.